Hey guys, this is a video about me talking about my mic that I got for my GoPro, and here it is right here. I will open it up I'll open it up right now, and we'll check it out. This is my first time seeing this too. See how it looks. Like that. I think you guys know what a mic looks like, but this is what it looks like. I'll hook it up to my GoPro. I'll have to figure it out, but it's okay. It will fit because it fits MacBook, and that's my charger for my GoPro is the MacBook one. But anyways, that's not what we're here to talk about. It's our mic. But I will make a video of me putting it together. So I got my GoPro, my mic, and let's put it together. See right here, it fits. Let's just take that off. Let's open it up. So I was thinking about, let's see if it fits. Wow, it fits. It's perfect. That's awesome. So I will put that on during my videos, and I'll wear my GoPro. So the mount's over there, but I don't feel like just walking over and getting it. But yeah, I think I wonder if you can take, oh yeah, you can. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off, and I think I'm gonna find something to tape my mic on. I think what I'm gonna do, I just have to fit it on my my helmet. I think I'm gonna go this way with it. Tape it right here. Wow, it's pretty dang long, but we'll do some. But yeah, like do it like that right on it, and sound of everything a lot better. So let's get my helmet. See, this is where I set my GoPro up. So it'll be right here, and it will be right under the little mic, but it has the case for it. Let me get that somehow, fit in here. Well, obviously this piece will be off, so my cord will work. And shoot, I'm guessing I just have to set it somewhere. The mic. Maybe I'll set it off to the side, like this. I'll test out the quality too, and obviously I'm gonna record it. So plug it in. Let's see. Let's put this on. Hook it on. So see, it sits like that, and then somehow I'll have the mic down here. Let's take this off right now. This. Just for now, every ride I'll switch it up. I'll put it right here. I think that's a good spot, but I'll change it up. It's just going to be taped on, so it's not going to be like glued. I'm just trying to test it out, so I'll get back to that. Get back to you guys when I have it on. It's taking me a little bit to get it on, but so this is what I came up with. The mic is in here. I wasn't thinking right, so that's what it looks like. So let's go test it out. Let's take it for a spin. Let's test this out. How is it not gonna go? Wrong gear. But yeah, I hope the sound quality is good on the GoPro now. It's a new mic. It'll probably be bad if I yell like I just did, so I won't go yeah like that, So yeah, I hope it works though. I'll make my videos sound way better. Like with the tripod videos, I'm gonna have to do something with the GoPro and then to the tripod, and then just figure something out. You know what I mean? Make sure you check out the 3 newest videos I made with the tripods. They're pretty good. Getting into it, so hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be a lot different content. Like this weekend, I'm gonna make better. So what we gotta do is What are you guys liking the sound quality on this? I want to try it with my the bigger bike instead of my Honda Classic. But yeah, hope you guys are liking. It's gonna be way better. All right, let's get back to the big camera. Hey, thanks for watching, and peace. I hope it turns out great for you guys. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe if you want to. Good content. Peace.